Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to split your reel on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you have a video which you want to post on your Instagram reel, but you want to split the video, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here to post a Instagram reel. Then tap on reel from the bottom. Now on this screen you can select camera to record your own reel, or you can select a video from your phone library. Now on this screen you want to go ahead and tap on next. Now to split a video in Instagram, go ahead and tap on edit video here at the bottom left. This will take you into Instagram's video editor. Next, you want to tap on edit here at the bottom left. And now you want to go ahead and select the place where you want to split. Once you've decided where to split, by taking this line to the desired place, go ahead and tap on split here from the bottom. Now once you do this, this will now split the clip and make it into two video files. Now you can take the first clip and discard it or delete it. Using the split feature, you can also remove something which is in the middle of this clip. So here I'll select something in the middle, split here and split here. So now I have three clips. However, I don't want the middle clip. So I'll select the middle clip and tap on discard, discard. And there you go. So there you go. That is how to discard a clip on your reels on your Instagram app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.